Welcome back, ladies and germs. Let's continue our dungeon raid here. Oh, well, I'm not going around that. Come on, you scrubs. Alright. Uh-oh, more goblins. Ugly little bastards.
These goblins are small, but deadly all the same.
The only thing deadly about these goblins is how bad they don't smell after I fucking kill them and slaughter Get wrecked. And more goblins.
A dwarf is upon you!
That he is.
Here, my friends, gather to this healing light.
Oh, thank you. That's helpful. I'll just tag him from here then. It's a good thing he's like the world's most understanding dwarf. Usually like these dwarves are like extremely hot-tempered and whatnot. Nice to see he's getting away from the dwarf stereotypes. Alright, now you fucking goblin. Fuck. That whole fucking slowdown is awesome. Yeah, this game is fuck up a lot better. Painkiller. I'm a neat fucking painkiller playing that.
Dwarf is upon you!
36 no scope.
Here, to me, if you need healing.
Alright, what are we doing? Oh shit. It's like so long as the reticle is red, you're good. That roll was mad late. It's a good thing this guy was out there.
Can't take much more.
Oh shit, someone died.
Take refuge here. I will shield us from their arrows and bolts.
Gate is open.
Don't worry guys, I got him. Still, now he's dead. Elf Stone of Will. block. Look at all this stuff I have. Oh, there's slots. And then this stuff is just shit I can sell, I suppose. Let's see. Oh, okay, they're enchant slots. So I just enchanted a weapon I can't even use, probably. Oh yeah, I can. It's a dagger. What the fuck I want to use a dagger for? What's this? There we go. Got a power potion. Oh, that just gives me... That was like strength up or some shit. Alright, there's the doors open that way. Let's go, guys! Let the dwarf lead the way.
What creature could be making those cries?
Who cares? I see a treasure chest though. More shit I can't use. What are you looking at? Oh, they have people in here. Let that bird go.
On our menu!
Go. Right, time out.
I am close to death.
Whoa. That was a cough. Get in the back to them. He was like, fuck you guys.
I thank you, friends.
I
Without
was
your
like the way
timely
the fucking
arrival,
eagle sound.
my death would have been slow, but certain.
No need to thank us. We're always happy to kill goblins.
My thoughts.
But who are
exactly.
you?
I am called Balaram. My home is in the Misty Mountains, and I serve Gwaihir, Lord of Eagles. Who is it I have to thank for my rescue?
I am Farin, a dwarf of Erebor, and King Dane is my lord. My friends here are Andriel and Eridan.
Then I am indebted to you, Farin of Erebor, and to your friends.
What brought you to Fornost, Balaram?
I often range far across the lands of the north, gathering news for Gwaihir, my lord. When I saw activity here in long-abandoned Fornost, I grew curious and flew lower to investigate.
What did you see?
Goblins and other foul folk are working within the ruins. They appear to be preparing for war, building siege engines and stockpiling arms.
How did the goblins manage to capture you?
I was careless, and the goblins were well prepared. They used war machines to fire bolts that exploded around me. I was stunned and fell
It's
from the
oddly
sky.
specific.
When I came to my senses, I was bound and helpless, even as you found me.
Have you seen any sign of the one who leads this rabble?
I saw a tall man, heavily armored. The goblins obeyed his commands. Who he is, I cannot say, but he had an aura of menace, like one tainted by the shadow.
That must be Agandar.
You know this man?
He serves the Dark Lord. We have a grudge
never
to
heard.
settle with him.
I will assist you, but it will be perilous. The enemy has positioned war machines upon the inner wall. They limit my ability to fly freely.
If we could gain the top of the wall, we might be able to destroy these machines.
Beyond those doors, you will find a passage and stairs leading up to the wall.
The machines are certain to be heavily guarded. We could be walking into a trap.
I will take to the air and draw their fire. If we are fortunate, that will allow you to gain the top of the wall unobserved.
Good. Let's get after them.
Bye, Mr. Eagle. See you later. Ooh, lady. Jeez. For some reason, Final Blow won't fucking leave my fucking screen. Ooh, look, a treasure chest. Gotta get that treasure. Look, there's a treasure chest inside the treasure chest. Let me guess, I can't use any of this shit, right? Oh, I can use this. Oh, yeah. And I got new slacks. Alright, here we go. Love how fucking little sacks of gold just fly. Final Blow is still on my fucking screen. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. There's the door I gotta go through. Let's get after them, as this dwarf would say. I did it. Oh look, I can swap characters, but I'm not going to. Well, that's gonna do it
Reach
for
the
this
top of the
episode.
wall. Now to find and destroy the war
See
machines.
you guys
And
next time.
quickly, Balaram is in danger.
Mind the edge. It's a long way down.